Hi guys, welcome to Ecuador Homesteads. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to kill ringworm instantly. Keep watching. Okay, so you're probably wondering what is ringworm. Maybe you know what it is, maybe you don't. But I'm going to give a real quick backdrop on what it is and then we'll get moving into how to kill it. Okay, so ringworm is basically like a fungus that grows on your skin. It's not a worm. What happened was at the beginning when they first were discovering it, they thought it was a worm, but then they discovered it wasn't, and they kept the name. So that's kind of a backdrop on ringworm. Okay, so now let's move into how you can kill ringworm. Now, at the beginning when we got here in Ecuador, we got a cat. And this cat actually was infested with ringworm, and it got all through our family. When you touch the ringworm and you itch yourself, that's how it spreads. It can spread very easy that way. When you itch the ringworm and then you itch or touch some other part of your body, it will spread to there. So it's very easily spread. And so we got this cat, brought it in the house, and we all got ringworm. And at the beginning, we were kind of using a cream, we were using Clorox. It really wasn't working very well. I mean, it was okay, it was keeping it down, but it just wasn't like getting rid of it really quick. Well, somebody recommended to us a way to kill it almost instantly, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. The secret is this: garlic. Garlic is a very potent, it's like a superfood, so it's very strong, and it can definitely, without a doubt, kill ringworm. And not only does it kill ringworm, but it also can kill various other types of skin funguses that grow on your skin as well. So how would you use this to kill it? Well, what I would do is I would probably chop it up or put it in a garlic press it up, then take it and put it on the part of where the ringworm is, and then cover it with something like a bandage or something, and then wait for about 8 hours or 12 hours, and then once you take it off, it'll be dead. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that it's going to sting really bad when you put it on, so that's just one thing you need to keep in mind. And also, after 8 hours you take it off, you're also going to have a period where it blisters. For example, my dad had a very big one on his hand. It was like this big, literally. It was really big. And so what he did was he took some garlic and he put it all the way on his hand and then strapped it down. And it burned all the way through the night. It was really hurting. But in the morning, it was dead. Now after this, you got to realize there's going to be a blister left over, and it's going to blister a little bit, but it's going to be dead. It's just kind of the after effects of using garlic. But if you don't want to use straight garlic, which is kind of hard for like children, because then they have to deal with the stinging of it for 8 hours, and then they also have to deal with the blister afterwards. If you don't want to do that, you also can use a slower way and do a garlic oil. And I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above where you can see how to make that. So go ahead and check that out. You just take that and spread it over the fungus, and that'll take care of it. And not only this, garlic does not only work for just ringworm, it also works for a host of other funguses. When there's ever a fungus that we have that's growing on our hands or anything, we just resort to garlic, take it on, put it on there, and it kills it immediately. All the time it works. So I thought I'd share this insight with you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, and I'll see you next time at Ecuador Homestead.